In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airbnb credit. By the end, you'll know exactly where your credit appears during checkout and how it reduces what you pay. Start by opening Airbnb on your phone or computer. You can use either the app or the website. The process is the same. Make sure you're logged into the account that has the credit, because credits are tied to a specific profile. If you're not signed in, you won't see your credit apply at checkout. Next, choose what you want to book. You can pick a place to stay, like a home or room, or select an experience hosted by a local. Browse until you find the option that fits your dates, location, and budget. When you're ready, tap or click Reserve or Book to move toward checkout. You'll now land on the payment page. Take a moment to scroll to the payment method section and review the total price. This area breaks down the nightly rate or experience fee, plus taxes and any service charges. It's helpful to glance over these details so you know exactly what's included. Here's the key part. Airbnb credit is usually applied automatically. You don't need to enter a code. If your account has eligible credit, you'll see a line that says Airbnb credit used, and your total will drop accordingly. The reduction should be clearly reflected in the updated amount due. If your credit covers the entire cost, your total may show zero, and you won't need to add a payment method for this booking. If it only covers part of the price, you'll see the remaining balance right below the credit line. If there is a remaining amount to pay, choose your preferred payment method and enter the necessary details. Double check that the total still shows the Airbnb credit used line so you're confident it's been applied. When everything looks correct, tap Confirm and Pay to complete your booking. That's all there is to it. Open Airbnb and log in, select your stay or experience, review the payment page, look for the automatic Airbnb credit used line, and then finish by adding any remaining payment and confirming. A quick tip. Because credit applies automatically, you don't have to manually toggle anything, and it will only reduce the price up to your available amount. After confirming, you'll receive a booking confirmation showing how your credit was used and what, if anything, was charged to your payment method. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next trip or activity with your Airbnb credit applied seamlessly.